Dad, we haven't heard from you in days. I know you've seen the message. Can you call me, please? You didn't have to rip that ticket up, you know. It was a gift after all. Me and David thought it would be good for you, that's all. That you'd appreciate having a break, a bit of fresh air. And new things and new people. A new outlook on life. It's not all about goals and targets and meetings and timetables. Open your eyes. You can't have everything under control, burying yourself under spreadsheets while the sun's shining outside.
Barralet.
Barralet.
Que si me l'empine...
Bel al gallet.
You're not bulletproof, Dad. The man you're turning into doesn't need to say I love you, and that scares me.
Una nit bonica.
Pa una nit bonica.
I know it hasn't been easy these years. But I'd like to thank you. Me and David want to thank you for being there for us, for providing for us.
Afuera.
Así l'arròs el mengem a migdia,
Manchester.
Manchester. Ja que eres vingut pintant, xavals, faré tota la ruta de Bacalao. Que està per si estàs al costat.
I know it's impossible having this conversation face to face. So, I just want you to listen to this message. And remember that it's the journey that's important. The goals are just the end point. It's the people around you who, you know, we're all here dancing together. The most simple gestures. The places that shake up your life.
Life is waiting, Dad, and let me know that you're okay.
Claire, t'estime.